Hello everybody, Love Homestead here. I haven't done any videos here in a while. I've been kind of busy. But this week I think I am going to start like a vlogmas just for a week. You know, it's kind of for Christmas and stuff. We'll just do short videos throughout the week of, you know, kind of stuff what happens on the farm and kind of new projects we're going to start getting into. And I got a lot of new interesting things to show everybody. Right now we're actually going to start feeding because everybody's hungry. You got Jack and Jill. They're hungry this morning. But yeah, we're gonna feed this morning, and it's kind of chilly today, so we're gonna try to hurry and get this done. I'll probably sit y'all down somewhere and let y'all look at the animals instead of my ugly mug. We went yesterday and we bought groceries and we got everything ready for the week because I'm gonna be off next week. And, today we'll go get a round bell for everybody. Whoa, my thing is being weird today. But let's get everybody fed because they're angry this morning. Watch out. Do not come out of that gate. We did get some ducks. I had a lady give me a bunch of ducks, a bunch of Muscovy ducks. Get back, guys. I got to close the gate. And those will be going... Jack! Jill! Okay, hang on. I got an escape artist. Hey, y'all get in the thing. Y'all cannot... Come on. Well, that's not working out, is it? Nothing ever works as planned. Come on, guys. Look, I got your thing right here. Come on. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. There. Jack, you went the wrong way. Goofball. Come on. Come on. Look, you went the wrong way. Good boy. Come on. Over here. They usually don't try to get out, but they're hungry this morning. I think the cold weather's got them acting kind of funny. That's okay. Get another little scoop here for them and try to sit y'all down in places where y'all can kind of see what's going on. Ow! Mush my finger. Anyways, as I was telling y'all, we got some, I got some ducks, some Muscovy ducks, and on a warm day, we're going to be putting those into freezer camp. And I got a whole bunch of other mallard ducks also, so they're also going to be going into freezer camp also. Because we need to start filling the freezer, getting kind of low on stuff, so we do need to start filling it. Oh. Jack, Jill, yeah, more over here. Well, she's not paying attention at all. The ducks are hungry. Gotta feed the... You got plenty of food in that thing. But, I want to show y'all. We have a whole bunch of ducks. She gave me a whole bunch of ducks. They're all males. I think there might be one female in here. But, they're going to be going to freezer camp. And then all of the big ones, like this guy here, he's going to go. That guy's going to go. I did sell one of my Muscovy males, the chocolate ones, but I kept him because he seems to be the dominant one of everybody. So I did keep him. And everybody needs fresh water today. The ducks are nasty. All the ducks. Like I said, I have a couple of different things that I want to do. I want to show y'all during the week for the Vlogmas. I wasn't able to do like a Vlogmas all month. I don't really have a lot of time to do that. But like next week, I'm going to be off for Christmas and stuff. So we'll be able to do, I want to do a couple of different videos and show y'all about some things that are going on around the homestead. We did separate out the rabbits. I will tell you that. And we got a whole setup for them. So I'm excited to show y'all that. And whoa, and we did get a new goat. I'm excited to show y'all her also. But yep, that's kind of what's happening right now, guys. So during the week, just kind of stick around and you know, see kind of what's going on. If y'all are interested in, you know, seeing what's happening on our homestead. Oh man, they took out the food thing. Let me get you back over this way. I'm not used to holding the camera this way. I'm used to y'all just kind of seeing me and me doing stuff. But what you doing, Spiky? There's the old Spiky boy. Hey, old spunky boy, sit. Sit. He says, you don't have a treat in your hand, Mom. I'm not doing that. He's a good boy. He's a good protector. He's a good wrangler of goats also. And of chickens, too. We have rogue chickens. He'll chase them and get them back in the pen. So he does good. Try to get some feed from down here for the chickens. Go give the chickens that. I know y'all are kind of all over the place with me holding the camera like this today. I'm still trying to get me a GoPro. Just got to get some extra cash. Hopefully it'll be here. Hopefully I'll have some extra cash next year. But y'all kind of, what do you want, Thomas? Look, Thomas. Thomas. He says, whatever, get away from me. We're going to walk over here and feed the chickens right quick. Now, our greenhouse, I haven't been in it for a while, so that'll be on the Vlogmas. And also, I may start some seeds this week. Not quite sure just yet. Because I need to order me a LED lamp. Okay, guys, hold on. Let me get you some food in there. There you go. I'm going to have to get me a new little stand, too. Seems to be spinning out of control here. Get back, chicken. No, chickens don't go out. But let me sit y'all down. Hopefully they won't knock y'all over. Chickens, be still. Lots of chickens. You're probably going to get knocked over if you do. I'm sorry. Yep, I knew it was coming. Chickens. Y'all need water. Hey, y'all are not starved. They act like they're starving to death. There's no way. They get fed twice a day. No eggs. I don't even check for eggs anymore. I need to come out here and I want to put sand in this. That's the neighbor's dog. I want to put sand in this. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I had you covered. I do want to put sand out in this coop, so it's not so smelly, and that way the poop is easier to scoop out. Let's get out here. I need to go actually get them another scoop, and then I'm gonna have to get the water hose. What, Spike? You can't go over there. Him and the neighbor's dogs, they like to fight through the fence. So he's not allowed on this side unless I really need him. Huh, Spiky? You good boy? I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Yee, good boy. Yeah. No, you're not going in there. You're ready for breakfast, aren't you? Are you ready for breakfast? Sit y'all down so y'all can see him. My phone is kind of heavy for this stand. I'm a good boy. You want breakfast? You want breakfast? Huh? You ready for your breakfast? Yeah. He's ready for your breakfast. You ready for your breakfast? I know. You good boy. You ready for breakfast? You had to get breakfast in a minute. I gotta give everybody else breakfast. You gonna get your breakfast? Yeah. You good boy? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Mom's gotta get you your breakfast. This is not yours. Silly. No, you stay. He's a good dog other than chasing the Amazon people. But I think every dog chases the Amazon people. He's really funny. Yeah, but he won't leave the yard. He won't leave the yard to chase them. He chases them along the fence line. I see. He's a good dog. He just... What's going on with you? Get back. Here. There you go. Chickens are fed. Morning chores are always fun. Especially when you're trying to do it one-handed. All the ducks are getting their drink this morning. Watch out. Watch out. Get away from there. Have to feed the big boy after a while. But I'm going to take y'all over so y'all can see the new girl. She's a Nigerian. And she needs a little work on the milk stand, which is fine. I can do that. It's not a big deal. But she does get on there. Hello, Karen. Her name is Karen. The people I got her from named her Karen because of HOA policies. She don't like weeds, apparently. What are you doing, Karen? Sometimes she's friendly, sometimes she's kind of don't touch me. What are you doing, Spicy? Hello, Spicy. Where's your friend Jupiter? Over there with the girls where he's not supposed to be? Huh? Get down. Get down. And then the girls over there. Now, this week, too, we're also going to have a video about getting all this cleaned up because I'm getting a round bale today or tomorrow. And we're going to take all of this and shove it into the houses because we got a few goats that are getting ready to have their babies, unfortunately, in the cold weather. Lots of goats. They're all mad because they're hungry this morning. And then Mr. Pig over there. And he is not supposed to be in there. So he's going to have to go back on his tie. He jumps that fence. It's a 4-foot cattle pound on. He jumps it. But yeah. Guys, so y'all stick around. And I'm going to go finish feeding everybody. And we will catch y'all next time, guys. Have a good one.